Let's see what questions the Quizatron has ready for us.
Quizatron 9000.
So we have 5 of them, and as always, you can record your answers and check them against the solutions video at the end of the chapter. Question 1. Pages are not cached for anonymous users. True or false? Question 2. What does the default search allow you to do? Check all that apply. A. Select which content types are searched by default. B. Change the impact of different fields on the search score. C. Create new search pages based on different search score configurations. And D. Change the output of the search results. Question 3. BigPipe does what? A. Downloads an entire site to your browser so everything runs quickly. B. Allows browsers to download more files at once. C. Loads cached content first, then uses AJAX to load the rest. D. Aggregates CSS and JavaScript so that they download faster. Question 4. Content is indexed for search immediately after being created. True or false? And question 5. What is the best way to display views exposed filters in 2 different places on a page? A. Create a views block display and a views page display and set the block to display on the same URL as the page. B. Create 2 different views but set the exposed filter of one to forward to the other. C. Turn on a setting to put exposed filters in a block and add an instance of the block in the 2 places the filters should display. Or D. Use a contextual filter in a contact form.